SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to get rid of the yellow battery on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If your iPhone currently has a yellow battery icon at the top right corner of the screen, like mine does right now, then that indicates that the phone is in low power mode. What this does is automatically adjust some of your battery settings so that the battery lasts longer throughout the day. While this can be helpful if you often run low on battery, it can also change enough things on the phone to make it a little more difficult to use. So if your iPhone is currently in low power mode and you want to turn it off, then you can either open the Settings app, scroll down and choose the battery option, and then you can tap the button to the right of low power mode to turn it off. Or if you're going to be toggling between low power mode a lot, then you can also select to add a low power mode button to the control center, which you can do by going back into the main settings menu and then selecting the control center option. And then you can scroll down and find the low power mode option in the more controls section. Now you can just tap the button to the left of that to add it to the top section. And now if you want to change between low power mode being on and off, then you can swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. And then you just need to find the battery icon down here. Now if you tap that, then that's going to put the phone into low power mode. And you can choose to turn it off by tapping that phone again, which is going to turn low power mode off.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.